Today I wanted to show you how to add a Quest compatible marker, which today I'm going to be using Snail's marker. I really like this marker. It's Quest compatible and really easy to add, so, you know, and really easy to use too. This is the avatar I'm going to be using. Yuna by Yoshi. It's PC Quest and free. This is the marker to download it. I'm going to be adding both of these in the description. To download it, you click right here, releases, and then download this version right here. It'll automatically download it to your computer. I personally renamed mine to Snail's Marker 3.12, but you can rename it to whatever you want, really, it doesn't matter. Okay, now how to add it to your avatar. I'm going to show how to add it to the right hand first, and then I'll show how to add it to the left hand. You can add it to whichever, you don't have to add it to both. So you open the armature up till you get to the right hand. I'm in it already. And then you slide this little box, this little blue box, I can't speak, into the finger. And you want to make sure that you reset the position because it might not be directly on where you want it to be. And sometimes you have to move it where if it's up here, the marker will start up here in the knuckle. And so I always just drag it down to the tip of the finger. Now the one that's already made starts with a rainbow marker. Personally, I don't like it because it hurts my eyes, so I like to change the color. And because I want to match her kind of like aesthetic, I'm gonna do a light purple with a like a lightish pinkish, you know, right here. Kind of like a salmon, I guess. I'm gonna close that. And then for marker, you want to open this and change the mode from rainbow to trail color. And you can close that. And you open the expression menu and then click add marker here. And then the fastest way for me to get there is to click the name of the avatar and then the main menu right here. So it already has it here, and I'm going to name it right marker. I'm going to give it a little icon. How about let's give it a little wand? That'd be cute. Okay, now the right hand's done. And now the left shoulder, you open that up, and you go back to the marker, and then you slide it in here. You also want to make sure that this one is starting off on the area you want it to. And then I go back to the other marker, right click the color you put, copy it, go to the other one, and paste it. And then right here, where it says hand, you just click left, and then add the marker here.
As long as I have somebody else there to play with, I would refuse to play it. But definitely refuse to watch would be something like
You do left marker, add a little icon, and another
blood?
wand.
Does it really have that much blood besides like his family got fucking killed? I mean,
Sorry if you can hear my brother, by the way. He's just playing his games. So. I think that's actually it for the PC version. And then for the Quest version, to make this Quest compatible, what you do is you click on the color, and then you choose whichever side, whatever color you want. I'm gonna choose this purple one, so I'm gonna copy that, Control C, and close this, and then you change the shader to VR chat, mobile, and standard light. I already had this one made like this, but yours would probably start out with red instead of it. You change the color to black, and then you enable the emission. I already put my color in, but it will probably start at white. And then you, right here, you paste with Control V the color that you want. And that will automatically do it to your left hand as well, so you don't have to do that one. And that makes it Quest compatible. One thing that you do have to make sure is that the marker is in the same place on PC and on Quest. Otherwise, it will be desynced and won't work really. I think that's everything actually. It's pretty simple to add to your avatar. So, yep, that's everything. Make sure you check out these links if you want the avatar or need to download this. I'm using Poi Pro, but this avatar uses Poi Toon, so you can also get that one if you want this avatar. Yeah, actually that's it. Have a good day or night. I do indeed have a Discord if you need help, or you can write it in the comments as well. In my Discord, I also have a bunch of avatar links, so if you want free avatars but you don't know where to find them, there is a bunch of them in my server. Yeah, have a good day.